Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, plus the DXY or US dollar. And at the end, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. So as you see here that the SP 500, what it done today, there is nothing new. We stay here in that phase here. We couldn't break that last high, which is here. So till now, there is nothing new here. And even the price action, there is not a very clear price action here. Yes, you can make like that, like you got here a triangle, but even that one is not that clear. It's the market to come down till here to break for you to enter short. So till now there is nothing new. Also we stay in sideways here, and we're going to see what's going to happen tomorrow. Till now there is no entry short here, no entry long. Me, I'm talking here about swing trading. For scalping and day trading, that's another story. And in the daily, guys, if we go and we're looking at the daily, as you see here in the daily, also we're breaking here the 200 moving average and we go up. Now it's showing it's going to go back to test it. Let's see now if we are going to test it here. Zoom it. Let's see if we are going to go back and we test here the 200 moving average here and we don't break it down. Then after that, we're going to go up. That's when the market will do like that to come to the 200 moving average. It will go up and to break for you the last high. If that happened, that's a very good scenario. But if it's not, if it just came from here and go back, it's going to do like how it done here before. So even that one you need to be worried of it. Even that one is a scenario can happen to the market. Let's going back now to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, same thing. Is it here? We are at the overbought area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. I'll show you all those things even in the last video. But price action, we don't got any clear price action there. The only one is to show you now. You can make here like a triangle here like that. But that one is not that clear because that one is in the 4 hours for swing trading. It needs to give you very clear price action here. Till now, there is no entry short, no entry long. You need to wait in. Entry long, by the way, it's being from down here. Now, also still having a long position. We see how we're going to go out. And the people that have been with us for some time, they know that. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. What you got. The market tried to give you here like a triangle here. That one, if it's breaking down, maybe it will fall down a little bit, maybe to here, to that place here, for you to take profit here. But just for scalping, but for long-term trading, there is nothing here. Also, we stay in here, and there is no power to break that level here, as you see it, that last level here. Till now, it came to it. People, they still wait in the PPI of USA. We're going to come tomorrow. I was going to tell them about the market. And that one is a small inflation. Need to make it like that. So I think everything is too clear here. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it entered here to the overbought area. Level, you are in a very strong level because from here last time it fell down. Now to enter short, I don't advise you because tomorrow is going to come the PPI as I show you. So you need to be careful. Only price action you have there is that one, that triangle like that. But that one, don't base your trading on that. Because as I told you, you need to wait on what's going to come tomorrow. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see what the Nasdaq doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Here in the 4 hours. Even here, we don't got any price action here. Indicating for us also we need to enter short. So there is nothing new here. Yes, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it before. From here, it used to react like a support. Now it's reacting like a resistance. So let's see if from here we're going to break it or not. Till now we haven't break it. So also we stay in sideways here in that level here. That way there is nothing new here. And tomorrow is going to come the news. Maybe he's going to make a correction here to the 200 moving average. Then after that it will go up. That's a scenario. The second scenario maybe is going to give us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. So till now there is nothing new. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as I show you now. But we don't got any price action here, indicating for us also we need to enter short. Some people, they said you can make like that, like a channel or something like that. Like that, yes, you can do like that. But me, I'm still waiting a very clear price action for us to enter short because we need a very clear price action that we're going to confirm for us the market is going to reverse. Till now there is no price action now here. That way, me, I told you need to wait in a little bit. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the same thing like the SP500. You got here, the triangle here in 30 minutes. As you see it, guys. You waiting if it's getting broke here. You enter short. If it's breaking upward here, you enter long. Till now, it doesn't break in no up, no down. So there is nothing new here. And here, the channel I told you. Look at it here in 30 minutes. You see it or no? Here in 30 minutes, it's very clear. The channel, look at it. As you see it, if you start from down here, the market went up. It fell down. Here it touched. Then it went up. Now it fell down, but that time it couldn't go in up. What that telling you? Look with me here, very, very close. I'm going to show you something very important here. Look here. He couldn't touch the top of the channel here. When it touched the lower here, that time, not like before it used just to touch, then it bounced. No, now it touched, it spent long time here. And when it go up, it couldn't go and touch the top here. So there is something, it changing. The momentum of the trend, it changing. That means there is not more buyers. They want to push the Nasdaq 100 to go up till the top of the channel here. That's why me thinking it's going to break here. So here, if it's breaking the 200 moving average, enter short. Stop loss of you put it in the top here. Same thing, it's applied to the SP500. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. And that one, as I show you now, the price action you got there. That one, look with me here. Level, you are in a very stronger level in the 4 hours. You see it, what I have, how I done it or not? We make a channel here. And that channel here, the market shows us there is no big momentum to go up, to break for us that last high. So that means there is something wrong here. So if it's breaking down here, we will enter short. It needs to break the 200 moving average. Remember that. If it's breaking down, you enter short. And you enter with stop loss. Remember that. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Dxy or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours in the US dollar. Here US dollar, it gives us something special today here. It gives us here a head and shoulder. Look at it. It's a very clear head and shoulder. To know it how it look, you just came here, you change it from candles to lines like that. You see it now or no? Look with me now. I'm not going to draw on top of it. Over here, that the first shoulder. Over here, that the head. And over here, that the second shoulder. Where is the neckline is here? Did it break for you the neckline? Not yet, my friend. You see it or no now? I'm just going back to the chart to see it. That's why I told you maybe the Nasdaq and the SP500 will fall down and US dollar will going up. You see it? Here we are. That one, that the neckline. You came here to that peak here, to those peaks here, and you draw it like that. If a candle came and breaking up here, you enter long. Remember that. If there is no break, we will not enter long. Where it needs to be the take profit of you. If a candle came and break in here, where it needs to be the take profit of you. You just do it like that. And in the place where it's going to be broken, you do it like that. So the take profit is going to be here. At that last peak here. Everything is too clear, guys? So if that one is going to go up, that means the British pound is going to fall down. That's just an example. If you're choosing British pound. So you're doing the same thing. Even in the British pound, it's going to give you the same pattern here. But it's going to give it to you in the top. In the 4 hours. So try to find out where is the take profit of you. I'll show you how to find it here in the US dollar. So you find it in British pound or the cable. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, same thing. We are here at the oversold area. So we need to look for a buy opportunity that will show you here the price action you got. So if you find the opportunity to enter long, enter long. Remember that. Let's see it now in 30 minutes what it's saying. Here we are in 30 minutes. Look here in 30 minutes. That head and shoulder, how clear it is here in 30 minutes. You see it or no? Look here, that the head, that the shoulder, over here that the head, and here next shoulder. I don't draw on top of it for you to show it very clear like that. And you can even doing something here in 30 minutes. You can do like that, and you came in the top of those ones, and you do it like that. You got here like a symmetric triangle here in 30 minutes. By the way, let me draw it again for you to explain what means a symmetric triangle. So look with me how I done it. I just came to the peaks of the tails of those candles. And down here, I draw it like that. So if you extend the top one like that, they will meet somewhere there. Yes or no? So how to trade that one? Me personally, I think it's going to come like that to stay sideways here till tomorrow, till the PPI can. If it's break up here, in 30 minutes, you enter long where it needs to be the take profit of you. You do it like that, and in the place where it's going to be broken, You bring that line here and you put it there. Everything is so clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is here at the oversold area. That means technically also we need to look in for a buy. But the price action is not met yet. So we need to wait in a little bit. And even the 200 moving average show you that. Look with me here. What the 200 moving average is doing here. It's being falling very sharp. Now he tried to slow down because even the momentum here, it's slowed down. And I show you those phases before. I show you all those things in the past video. So you need to look in at them. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes in Bitcoin. Even the Bitcoin is staying here sideways because as you see it here, look with me down here. That the coming news we got. Let's see it. Just come here and click at it. As you see it, what we got? We got retail sales and the PPI. That the two things we got tomorrow. So you need to be careful about them if you are a day trader and a scalper. And here, the Bitcoin, what it gave us here. If you try to connect in those dots here, the Bitcoin try to give you here like a wedge like that or a peanut. Because even if you came from down here, that one is not a wedge. It's a peanut. A peanut, how it's being, it needs to be like that. It needs to be like that. Like a flag of the golf. Let's make it like that or the shape. So that one it tried to give us here like a peanut. As you see it. So should we enter long? Should we enter short? Tell no, there is nothing. Me in the last video, watch me, I told you. I told you I don't draw in no peanut, no nothing. I draw it like that. I make 12 levels like that. And I'm stay waiting where it's going to be broken. Either to break up here or either to break down here. And in the top here, what we got? Look with me here, that one with dots here. That one is the weekly down wage I show you. People, they just came now. I show you we got a weekly wage like that. That one the top of it. If it's getting broke here, you're going to see the Bitcoin is going very, 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 very high. And that is 100% the bottom. And even in the monthly, we got a morning star. The morning star, it's being like that. If you go now to the monthly, you're going to find 3 candles, they do it like that. If that month candle is finished like that, that's the bottom 100%. So we need to wait in all those days. Now you, if you haven't entered yet, just they say, me I'm talking here for long-term traders, just they say, for scalpers and day traders, there is no opportunity yet. You need to wait in that one here, that triangle or that peanut to get broke. Tell no, it doesn't being broken, so you need to wait in a little bit. Look with me how I draw it. Don't follow other people. They never ever trade by those patterns. They just copy from other people. You need to remember that. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area for long now. Should we enter short? No, we need to wait in the price action till it came. That's when we're going to go higher. Till now, we're still waiting. And some people, if you go now to Twitter, some people, they said, oh, till now it has a bottom. It's going to go to 10K because those people, they got orders at 10K. And they don't want to cancel those orders and to buy. Let them to stay there at 10K till we reach 1 million, then they will follow us. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.